Hello guys, I'm Beggi, and I want to share with you today this important message. I started with the goal. The rule in my personal favorite. Focusing our visual attention on our particular point is incredibly effective for all types of goal. In order to be successful, you must have one big goal, a big goal setting exercise that are life-changing. And I would say you will change your life. You make yourself rich or healthy or skinny. And the key is the goal. What is it? It's a goal. What I teach today is this. Take a piece of paper. Take the list of paper right now and put it down 10 goals that you want to achieve in this next 12 months. You have time. Stop this video for making these 10 goals to achieve. And then coming back. After you return, I will tell you what we need to do next. There's a 1 year goals, but sometimes you have a 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. But there's all goals that you want to accomplish within 12 months. When you look over this list and you say, if I could wave a magic wand and achieve any of those goals on my list within 24 hours, which one goal would you have the greatest positive impact on your life? And then you look at your list of 10 and the answer will jump out. And then, because your module defined purpose, this becomes your module goals. Then you transfer this to a clean sheet of paper and you write a deadline when you want to achieve this goal in the present time, like you already achieved it. You make a list of everything that you could think of, what of that you could do to achieve this goal. You then organize this list like a checklist in order to sequence what do you do first, what do you do second, and what do you do third. And then you take an action on your goal. And then you do something on that goal every single day. Put this goal on your desk. Look at this until you remember with your heart what you want and focus on this. It's very simple system. Decide the most important goal, write it down, make a plan, work on it every day. And then all of your other goals will start to move toward. You will start to make progress on the big goal. But all of the other goals will start to move forward, almost without you even paying attention to them. So it's really the key to success. Is the single focus. They say if you just ask your viewers to subscribe, to put like, they will do it. And I decided to ask you. Please do it.